In this video, we will compare Tubi versus Pluto TV. Tubi and Pluto TV are both free ad-supported streaming services. However, they offer different viewing experiences. Tubi focuses on providing on-demand content, giving users access to a broad selection of movies and TV shows from various genres, including older films, independent content and classic TV series. With Tubi, viewers can watch what they want whenever they want. However, they will encounter ads throughout their viewing experience. In contrast, Pluto TV offers a more traditional TV experience with a combination of live channels and on-demand content. Pluto TV provides numerous live TV channels across many different genres, including sports, entertainment, lifestyle and news, along with a selection of on-demand movies and shows, making Pluto TV a great option for many users who enjoy the feeling of traditional TV with live programs. While Tubi is ideal for on-demand content, Pluto TV's live TV features set it apart from many of its competitors. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.